How to change page access in Meta Business Suite. If you want to change who can manage your Facebook page, this video will show you how to update page access in Meta Business Suite. First, open Meta Business Suite and sign into your Meta account. Now, click on Settings from the left side menu. Next, scroll down to Users and select People. Click on the person whose page access you want to change. Under Facebook page, click on Manage. Then update their permissions by giving them partial access or full access based on your preference. After making the changes, click on Save to apply the new page access. The selected user will now have the updated permissions for managing your Facebook page. That's how you can change page access in Meta Business Suite. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.